This episode is sponsored by NordVPN. I'm trying to come up with a system that would just be efficient enough to separate the dust and the husk from the nibs, but it's just... Hey guys, salut, this is Alex. Welcome back to the chocolate series. This is episode number 6. I literally just came back from the hardware store where I got myself some nice plumbery supplies, which I intend to use to build my own cocoa beans winnowing machine. I'm gonna try it anyway. So this would be my main design. The undefined things just go down there. They get separated by an upcoming stream of air, which blows this way. I'm gonna drill a hole on this side. The light husk should then fly away right there, fall into a bowl right here, and then the heavier bits of nibs should fall straight down this one into a separate bowl. And that's when things go according to plans, of course. Not bad. Studio update. So in the studio there used to be clothing everywhere. Sweatshirt, t-shirt, coats, bags, you name them. Now with this, it's under control. Have a look. Coats, bags, things. And there even more clothing. Also kitchen towels, t-shirts, sweatshirts, stripes, things, apron, tablecloth, and special occasions. That's the end of the studio update. Cling, cling, cling. So at the moment my vacuum is sucking, but if you do this and you reverse it, now okay, test number 1. So basically it's not working at the moment. Let me show you. This is supposed to be the bowl with nothing but nibs. It's not that bad, to be honest. I thought it would be worse. Now this is the bowl where there should be only husk. As you can probably tell, there are nibs and very few nibs inside this one. All the husk is on the floor, basically. The vacuum cleaner is way too powerful for this. So I need to come up with an idea to reduce the airflow to like a gentle breeze. That's what I need exactly. Reducing the airflow. What if we could lower the pressure by covering or uncovering holes? Sponsor time. NordVPN is basically an online service that allows you to get a private, secure access to the internet. Using that service, you can enjoy a fast and stable connection everywhere, and you can protect all your devices. I do travel a lot for work, and whenever I do this, I still use Wi-Fi. I still browse the internet shopping for stuff that I don't need. And usually for that, I use the Wi-Fi from the airport or from the hotel or from the train station, which is nothing but unsafe. And that's basically where NordVPN can come in very handy. You can picture it as a hack-proof encrypted tunnel which allow your data to travel very privately. Get 75% off a 3-year plan at nordvpn.com/FrenchGuy. This special offer makes your subscription just $2.99 per month, so you can browse securely on all your devices. And for a short time, use the code FrenchGuy to get an extra month of Nord for free. Thank you NordVPN for sponsoring this video. Back to it. Right, so long story short, I gave it a thorough think and basically solved most of my problem. This is what I came up with. the machine version 2. Let me run you through the way it works. Here you've got the vacuum cleaner / powering unit, which transmits an airflow to this tube. Now I've got a few air vents right there that I can open and close to reduce or to increase the airflow. On top of the contraption, I've got this just to prevent the reflux of husk this way. Instead of having bowls that basically just retains nothing, I'm using bags. So at the end of the day, what happened when I turn it on? Air comes in, the overpower just comes out, mixed nibs and husk going down this way. Gravity will then be pushing down the nibs, and the rest, aka the husk, should just go this way and get stuck in this one. That's the plan, at least. Wish me luck. 3, 2, 1. It's very exciting. I reckon we need to have a quick check before obviously passing the whole bag through this contraption and committing the unfixable. Come closer. It's a very important moment. So in this bag there should be mainly husk, where in this bag there should be mainly nibs. This one is heavy for sure, but this one is a bit heavy too, so I'm worried about this. That's what I got at the end. This is the husk bowl, and it's basically very husky. And this is the nib bowl. And as you can tell, it's very nibby. I think there are times in life when you need to be modest. This is not one of them. To me, it's working brilliantly. So I'm gonna go through the whole bag now. Yes! It's working so well. I wouldn't call it perfect, but I would say that it's probably 80-85% there at the moment. If I wanted to improve it further, I would definitely look into having a variable speed when it comes to the vacuum cleaner. I think that would allow for a better tuning of catching the tiny bits of nibs versus the big flakes of husk. It's just a chocolatier thing. Whatever. I guess in this episode we learned how to roast and how to separate the husk from the nibs. The next step would be to learn how to ferment beans. I got no idea on how to do this. I don't even know where I could be finding cocoa pods, because I think I need pods to start. But that's the whole beauty of this channel, you learn as I do. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, like it and share that everywhere, spread it like cocoa butter. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel just not to miss the next episode. Always about the food, but about thinking outside the box. That's my thing, okay? Bye bye, salut.